we're really looking for is the McDonald's cookbook. And I don't know if you're familiar with this story, but McDonald's for many, many years, going back even into the 60s, has a very detailed set of systems. If you are a 15-year-old or a 16-year-old or whatever age you're allowed to start working at McDonald's, and you're in Washington State, there is a video that you get to watch, amongst other videos, that tells you exactly how to cook that hamburger. It's going to tell you that it's so many minutes on this side, it's so many minutes on that side. Then when you're putting it together, it tells you exactly where to place the tomato, what to do with the lettuce. It tells you how big the dollop of ketchup is. It tells you how big the dollop of mustard is. And then it tells you how to wrap it and put it out. And you have to watch those videos and you have to practice until you've done it right.